it. You get it. No, say right now, come so. Squeeze, control. You get it.
Ready or not, here I come. Brother, hey boy, me no find you.
Me done.
Brother,
Me done.
bad man.
Me done. Me done.
Brother, you can't done
Me
so.
go.
Brother, a year time for count.
Me done.
Bad man, a year time for count.
What, baby? The food tastes good, boy.
Yeah, baby, food is real good. Hey. What's that?
I want to buy food, mommy.
I take my time and cook in that kitchen. I make pak choy and rice and you go out and buy food, boy.
Me feel full of pak choy and rice, boy.
And then you gonna come and tell me about, oh, you ain't have no money. I cook food and you buying food.
You want to make me feel bad for buying food, boy.
Let me get a little piece
I
of
don't know why you don't go and eat your pak choy and rice and all that.
Hear my cry, oh Lord.
Hey, I tell you, I don't want no chicken, boy.
What?
Your mother cook good food for me, pak choy and rice. I don't want no chicken. He forcing me, you know, baby. He forcing me. I don't know where he forcing me for, boy. I never even do nothing, Jed. What?
Up on Otterball and Vegas. Where the girl at? Hot work. Hot work. Hot work.
Tyler, me asked you for the last time. Who eat the floor out of the cupboard?
Daddy, is Malachi eat the flour out of the cupboard?
You sure, Malachi?
Daddy, I would not lie to you, is Malachi eat the flour out of the cupboard. Cause when I was watching Malachi,
Yeah?
Malachi was climbing up on the cupboard in the kitchen.
Yes.
And I said, Malachi, don't climb up there and trouble the floor because Daddy is going to be very upset.
Tyler, you sure, Malachi?
Daddy, I sure is Malachi do it.
Me I tell you, anybody eat the flour, therefore can't go hospital now because a rat poison put in there for the rat, them you sure na you? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
So how flour each pay amount?
Huh?
What a pay amount?
Whoa! Daddy, I don't know what is this, you know? I don't know how this reach here, say, you know? Daddy, I don't know.
You don't know?
It's more some kind of magic or witchcraft.
Hey people, you know me there I think about a while ago. You remember using voicemail back in the day because nowadays I don't use voicemail. If I call you and the phone ring out and go to voicemail, me don't leave no message. Me just hang up and call back again. But then me start think about it like, yo, back in the day, you know, when we used to have voicemail. You remember the voicemail, them? You remember when people start get creative and play all song and then at the end of the song, them try left a little message like this? Sorry, I'm not here right now, but please leave your name and number and I'll get back to you. Don't lie, no fun to do it. All someone there are going like that, some sweet boy, and I play out some R&B and I left all message like this. Yo, you've got through to Tyrone. I'm not here right now, so you can leave your name and number and I'll get back to you a little later. No, people, you know another thing we used to annoy me about voicemail back in the day? You remember we used to call somebody on the phone and ring, and all of a sudden you hear, hello? And then you start talk, and you there say, yo, what go on? And next minute you hear, oh, this is my voicemail. Hey, who you ramp with? Don't do that.
Because them people are foreign, them spoil. Certain things that we see, when we get over there foreign, what me could have never do. Some things like me nah eat that. You're crazy. You're gonna eat when me cook. And that means sure for my grandmother, if whatever cook me not eat, I saw it go, me just never eat that day then. You know how long it take my grandmother for realize I'm allergic to shrimp? No. Every time me eat shrimp, me the one side I take, me I say, grandma, me no want this, yeah, so me tell you this. Me nah cook too patty. So you have to finish that. Tongue swell up, throat, everything. Hospital, me have to go to really realize that John, don't feed the shrimp.
Oi, sir. What time now? Elia, come in and blast the yard, man. You're the pan road, them hours. Out hard and not do nothing in a yard. Come in a yard, man.
How are the pan gathering?
No, man, a fashion ring.
Fashion ring, and that's why I can't sleep at night time.
Fashion ring.
The blood of Jesus against you. Let me move
ring.
outside of you, yeah, boy.
Hey. Give me map, man. I move fly yourself, man. Move, look, can't do nothing. A fool no about. Move. Move fly yourself, cause you wipe like a yard, pum. Yes, then let me try show you. Piss, shit, name, sleep and phone. That's all them pick me a good for. No help! no help to me. Morning, me one.
Why teacher tell me say I disrupt Pitney in my class?
I lie them and tell
Hey, we are raise a voice offer. You can raise a voice offer. Wait till I reach up, me I bust up you.
Why? Where you come back from?
The sugar.
Me don't have no sugar. Sugar done long time.
Screechy. No boy can ramp with me boy, so. No boy. In here. No boy can ramp with me boy, so. I suck your mother, man.
Good like me. You good looking like me? You handsome like me?
No, me them, it was me them.
You handsome like me? Must have dopey, but
Post Cologne at Tamford. Make me take a next step. Them gyal a take set. As she a move to the beat, get your foot there. I will not take jet. You with the headset. Me says I sing at the boot. I'm not take no check. Cause
So dog, surely would have see it coming.
The man stupid dog.
I'm a bomber clad charger there. Yo, I left my charger charge downstairs on the charger and somebody plug it out, you know? Plug it out and gone with the entire charger, left my phone down.
brother, you're charging an in-ear, brother. You're charging an in-ear.
Cladies. Yo, you see black people teeth.
What the fuck you mean by that, Bobo? Black people
Me
teeth. You know
mean
black?
by that? I'm 50% Spanish pussy. Me number S Aquino Evans. Fuck the local boy.
Oh,
I
you
mean
know
by
that.
how I know that. Me I talk Spanish from my barn. Hola. Like when I can't mean on my blood clot.
So me can assume.
Huh?
Yeah, man. So your girl at work. Brother, not talk
Man,
about
she a
my
freak.
girl, not talk about my
You
bumbo clad girl. I'm a charge
and
of
other men.
Cash boy right tongue. Yeah, man, and she probably unfaithful.
And she black. Look on that.
Bumbo
You have a
clad.
teeth freaky bitch. More further, man, hold your charger and come out of my room, brother. Hold your charger and come out of my room. What?
Deal. What me tell you to do yesterday, Deal? You know what? It's alright. It's alright. Forget it. Alright. Moving on. Since it's still not do. Alright then. We will figure it out. Alright. Let me see if this can. Me and you in here today. Because when me talk, you no listen. So clearly, when me open my mouth, nobody don't listen. Let me see. That belt you can't work. Cause clearly, you not come here to listen to me. So, saggle up for the iron there. Saggle up. Cause you know what, listen to me. Come, get up and come over here. So, cause you're not gonna listen. Alright, me I gonna show you something in here tonight. Get up and come.
We catch on, ya batty boy. Ya batty boy. We catch you, man, we catch you. Ya fish, ya fish.
Yo, dog, stop video. I'm gonna propose. Make sure you turn on the flash. Babes, look at it.
What? Wait, why are you on the ground? You bucket too?
No, will you marry me?
Yeah, idiot! Get up!
Baby, no!
Be so for real. I never eat it and you come and talk about propose. Go on here.
But baby, I love you.
No love no day as a fear, sir. Me not ready for all of this.
Hey, girl, a foolishness that.
Shut up!
Yeah, dude, man.
You go, girl. Woman empowerment.
Hey, girl, shut up.
Excuse you.
What we gonna do now? Empower your daddy.
Good man.
Set you up but enough for 99. Girl, the pussy good, I can't fuck it alright. But girl, that the beach of my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife.
boom. Jamaica land we love. Okay, class, you may sit except Juba. Juba, stand with your hands in the air. Boom is not a part of the national anthem, you damn idiot.
Alright, dog, in a G string.
What did you say, Juba?
Me say,
Alright, dog, in a G-string. Jesus save the pilot me. So you don't have any manners? And you now no hair upon your head. Boy, you want 30-inch Brazilian, I have 2-inch Nigerian. Kids like you turn out to be crofts, you know. So I'm not even paying you no attention. You stink like morning mouth. But croft. I look like none of your retarded picnic them. You could never be any one of my kids. My son is well behaved and he keeps his mouth shut. Oh, he keep his mouth shut? Yes, he does. Well, I must say that's why he never tell us your husband and give you a bun with the 12th grade girl will live at Maxfield. But you ain't being serious? Mm-hmm. But who told you that? She said, him say, your crutches rotten and smell like out of Riverton. Never me say that. Jesus Christ. Get to the principal's office right now. I'm going to string you up. Get your ass out here.
Yo, I'm just weak, bro. I'm just weak. Sometimes it's rough to live with people, you know, bro. Like, you don't even understand your own family, brother. Imagine I buy my Lasco dog. I'm say, yo, nobody touch the Lasco. And mine. Yesterday, you know, brother, yesterday I buy the Lasco. I only use it one time. One time I use the Lasco, bro. I'm say, nobody don't touch it because I'm mine. Wake up this morning, brother. Wake up this morning ready to use my Lasco, bro. Oh, I see that I drink a fat cup of cornflakes with my Lasco. I just tell the man them nobody do not touch. Nobody don't touch it and the man still go touch it and drink cornflakes with my Lasco, bro. You want to see what left packing at the something?
He did it.
All rat just dead now. Rasta skills.
Yeah, man, I miss a rat poison to somebody. Me kill Gaza rat, gully side rat. Rat war boss AK, rat war boss Glock. Rat war born high grade, grab a Captain Black. Me say rat them wicked and that. All in I town then their vehicle, me see bugger them a stop. Then over to a gully back, them black road a 2 sister rock. All up a church, me see rat pan choir they clap. I take all communion round a back. Rat a boss AK, rat a boss Glock. Rat a do daggering master pan me virgin whatnot. Me virgin lock down in shop, so rat near me down say nah pay rat tax. All vehicle me say rat in I town a stop. Rat have 10-year visa, bump me say rat a quiz out a rat fear with tweezer. Rat, roach and hands. Me kill black hands, red hands, pickle me clans, all the minister of finance. Who say rat? Who say rat? Me a rat poison, foot poison, crook lizard poison, man poison. If you lay yourself careless, all you get poison. Who say rat? Alright, that me a go top chat. If you miss a chop now, in can't miss it.
Show them.
Hear that?
Show them, brother.
Rat poison, me a taste and buy. Gaza rat, gully side rat, big rat, small rat. Me kill all token rat, rat bat, rat who go to door and watch everything where you got. One rat poison lick him down flat. If you miss a chop round here, you can't miss a black. A launch attack. Token rat, 2-foot rat, any type of rat. Taste and buy. You hear that?
Yes! That's what I say.